I'm Thankful for Nature by Lindsay Sagar. I'm thankful for the insects that pollinate the plants. Here's a buzzy bee pollinating the plants. I'm thankful for spring, which brings new warmth and promise. Here are all the little duckies and rabbits and birds tweeting. I'm thankful for the soil so we can grow fruit and vegetables. Strawberries, eggplant, pumpkins, tomatoes, apples. Here they're digging a hole to plant something. I'm thankful for summer, an explosion of brightness in full bloom. Beautiful flowers blooming. I'm thankful for the sun and the rain. They give life to all living things. And here's a rainbow, the happy sun. I'm thankful for autumn with its beautiful colors and crisp leaves. And a fox is holding a nut. I'm thankful for the trees, from swaying palms to rustling maples. And here's a toucan and a cardinal. I'm thankful for the winter, nature's time to rest. All the animals are hibernating. I'm thankful for the moon and stars that light our way at night. I'm thankful for Earth. Let's take care of it together. Yay! All done.